All living beings require air to survive. We have not seen air, but we can feel its presence in so many ways. We can feel the presence of air while breathing, the movement of leaves of the plants, the moving of a ceiling fan, the fluttering of banners or flags. Moving air also helps to fly a kite. Air in motion is called wind. Our earth is surrounded by air. This envelope of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere is spread above 500 km of the earth's surface. Air has no color and no smell. It is tasteless. We cannot see the air, but we can feel its presence. It is transparent. It means we can see through it. Air takes up space. Take an empty plastic bottle and dip it in a bucket full of water. Tilt it. You will notice that bubbles are coming out from the bottle. When the bottle was tilted, the air was able to come out in the form of bubbles, and water filled up the empty space that the air has occupied. Air exerts pressure on everything, at all the time, in all directions. Take a balloon and blow air into it. You will see that the balloon inflates. Air pressure inside the balloon is more than the pressure exerted by the air from outside. As a result, the balloon gets inflated. Air is a mixture of different gases. On Earth, the atmosphere consists of 78% of nitrogen gas, 21% of oxygen, and remaining are other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and neon. Other than these gases, water vapor, dust, smoke are also present in the atmosphere. The major part of the air is nitrogen. During combustion of fuel, nitrogen doesn't support burning. Nitrogen is present in the soil in the form of nitrite and nitrate. Plants absorb these molecules of nitrogen by their roots along with water. And animals get nitrogen by eating plants as food. Oxygen is necessary for the survival of all living organisms. It is released by plants and absorbed by animals. Aquatic plants and animals use dissolved oxygen in water for breathing. Oxygen is also trapped between the soil particles. This oxygen is used by animals like earthworm, rat, snakes for respiration. Oxygen also supports burning. Carbon dioxide is present in very small quantity in our air. Plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. During respiration, carbon dioxide and water vapors are produced. When we burn any material, oxygen is consumed and carbon dioxide is released. Carbon dioxide doesn't support burning. That's why it is used to extinguish fire. Water vapors are also present in atmosphere. When water gets heated, it converts into vapor. This is called evaporation. These vapors move up in the sky and form clouds. Water vapors in the atmosphere are important for water cycle in the nature. Air contains dust particles. The presence of dust particles in air differ from place to place and time to time. The burning of fuel produces smoke. Smoke contains a few gases and fine dust particles, which is often harmful for our health. That is why you must have seen long chimneys in factories. This takes the harmful smoke and gases away. Now, from the discussion, we know that air is very important for us. The important processes of living beings like respiration and photosynthesis required air. Air also helps in the movement of sailing yacht, gliders, aeroplane, and parachutes. Air helps in the dispersal of seeds and pollen grains. Air is used to generate electricity by windmills. Birds, insects, bats can fly due to the presence of air. Air plays an important role in water cycle. Air is compressed to inflate the tires in different vehicles. Air is an essential factor that is necessary for the survival of any living being on the earth. Without air, the earth will become a lifeless planet.